Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here, back today with another price prediction analysis and forecast video. Today I'm going to be covering Groestlcoin. This is a cryptocurrency that's actually been around for a while, but it recently got a good pump going and is really coming into the spotlight now. And there's several things that I actually like about this cryptocurrency. I'm going to go over all that in a second. I'm also going to cover all the numbers and the chart and everything. Now, I just wanted to give a little shout out to my cryptocurrency price predictions playlist. These are all my videos that I've done, cryptocurrency price predictions on. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on any cryptos out there, go and check out this playlist. There'll be a link in the description and in the comments below. Otherwise, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video. I've been putting out a lot of effort and time into these videos, and I've been coming out with daily videos, even multiple videos a day. So yeah, you should definitely leave a like, and also please subscribe. Let's get right into Groestlcoin now. Let me start off with the subreddit, because this is actually something that's a nice positive sign with Groestlcoin. Is actually a pretty big subreddit for its size. Now obviously, like I said, it's been around for a while, but nonetheless, for its size, right, this is actually a cryptocurrency that's not in the top 100 ranking yet. So it does have a pretty big community, and it's growing, obviously, because it's in the spotlight after being up 104% today. So this is good. Obviously a lot of people, it's very active right now, and it's growing, which is good. Like I said, this is a pretty big size for where it's ranking. And coming over to, the fundamentals and the website, it's looking good, very professional website. This is not exactly common for, some of these less popular cryptocurrencies. And I do think that this is really going to be a cryptocurrency that truly gets discovered more and more in the next couple months. And it's still very underground right now, but you can already tell where it's heading, and it's looking like it'll enter the top 100 pretty soon. And yes, I will be giving you my price prediction for the next 6 to 12 months, so 2017, 2018. But really quickly, what is Groestlcoin working on? They have a SegWit activated, Lightning Network, and overall, this is a very, very similar cryptocurrency to Vertcoin. If you don't know, Vertcoin has been doing absolutely amazing recently. It's a cryptocurrency that I've been very bullish on. It hit $5, and I believe this was at about somewhere around $1 just a couple weeks ago. So there's been a lot of interest in these cryptocurrencies that are for one, ASIC resistant, and that's obviously been kind of a good spot position to be in, if you're a cryptocurrency out there. And it's, like I said, very similar to Vertcoin on pretty much all fronts. So that's a bit of a good and a bad thing. Obviously, they're going to be sort of competing. I do believe in Vertcoin a little bit more. Obviously, it's bigger, it has more of a community around it. But I think Groestlcoin will become a bit of a competitor, and will also benefit from this attention that are around these type of coins, which are like they say right here, sort of people's coins, right? And that are really humble beginnings, grassroots coins. Now that's what I like about cryptocurrencies like Groestlcoin and Vertcoin is that in specific. And they are very similar to Vertcoin, like I said, but for now, in the short term, it's going to be a good thing, right? A lot of attention is going to be brought on to this coin because of that, and especially if it enters the top 100, there's going to be a really nice boost from that as well. You can see that they have a next the development release in 57 days. I'm not sure what that's going to be, but yeah, it seems like a good project here. They're professional. They're working on everything that I like to see. Obviously, like I said, very similar to Vertcoin, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. So let's get into the chart here and sort of the numbers. Very, very big volume in the past 24 hours. Obviously, it's because it's breaking out here, but nonetheless, $22 million. That's not, that's a good sign right there. And otherwise, circulating supply is low, which you all know that I like. And actually, let me just compare that to the circulating supply of Vertcoin, just to see. So Vertcoin is actually a little bit of circulating supply is a bit lower, but the max supply is higher. Basically, this is a short supply nonetheless, and that's a good thing in my book, right? I like the scarcity, and I like the increased value of that. So as far as the chart goes, like I said, it's been around for a while, did pretty much nothing for years, and finally started getting some traction here in 2017. So it pretty much spiked up and made an all-time high at 29 cents, right? Fell back down, and now is breaking out once again, okay? So if we go over to, a bit of a more detailed chart over here, and I can show you what the breakout was. So this was the previous high over here, broke above that, as you can see, and, now unfortunately it's falling back below this high that was put in over here, which is 45 cents. I like to see it, break above that again and really hold above that level, and also put in a high today of, let's see, the high of today is 55 cents. So that's something that we're going to want to see it also, hopefully break above and hold. But it has the time to do so, and, there's always going to be some pullbacks and stuff after a rise like this. But for now, it looks like it really will probably keep going, right? This could still go for another couple days here. And, it just broke above the 70 RSI point. So, like I said, it has room to go, and I think that it will get some extra growth here in the next couple days. Now, what's important to notice, and really comes to down to my price prediction now, is where is it going to be heading in the next 6 to 12 months, right? Now, I am pretty optimistic on Groestlcoin. Like I said, this is because I like this type of cryptocurrency similar to Vertcoin, and Vertcoin is getting a lot of praise right now. Groestlcoin is probably going to get similar praise, right? Probably on a lesser level, but it's definitely going to get attention because these are just all around good cryptocurrencies, I think. And now, like I said, it put in this high of 55 cents. So we're going to want to see it go back into the 50-cent range. I think it will in the next, probably, it could be in the next week, to be quite honest, after a big breakout like this. But, it doesn't really matter if it's a bit longer. I think in the next couple months, it'll definitely break back above the 50-cent level and, probably start climbing towards $1. I'm pretty confident about that. So, end of 2018, I would say I could see this coin being definitely above $1 and probably even, moving towards $2. So that would put the market cap, at around 4 million, at around 100 million. So give or take a 400% increase if we're rounding up here, if we're considering this already 50 cents. And that will put it in the top 100, like I said. That will most likely put it in the top 100, which, is a good thing. It'll get even more attention. So I think this one will get a lot of, will get discovered more in future months. You can type this coin into YouTube, you'll barely find any videos on it. So it'd probably be a good time to get in. I'm personally not invested in it as of right now, but I think it will get some really nice growth. And like I said, expecting this to get around the $100 million market cap within the next year, basically could become, a baby Vertcoin, if that makes sense. So pretty bullish on Groestlcoin. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this one. Do you guys like it? Had you guys heard of it before? I'd be interested in hearing all that, and let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a nice day.